Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your money from a Revolut to another Revolut. So for example, if you want to send money to your friend or to someone who you haven't had a contact with, maybe you don't have your friend's number now or so on. So first of all, you go to your Revolut, and then you're gonna click on transfer right here. Now you will be redirected to this page where you can see your recent transactions, but if you and you can search right here for the name of your friend. But if you never had a transaction with it, then you just basically go to add new, or of course if you have a phone number, you just basically write it down here, but click on add new, and after that you can add a contact using phone or email. So I'm just gonna, you have to click right here on contact to send it to Revolut, and after that you're gonna write down your friends or someone else's name and email or phone. So most of the times the phone is the best option. So you write down the name of your new contact and your phone and their phone. Then you're gonna click on add and send the money like that. So yeah guys, that's basically it. That's how you transfer money from your Revolut to another. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.